3. Ooh, does that feel good? Does that feel good? Yeah? Do you want...
Watch his eyes.
Aww.
He's in heaven.
Does that feel good? Are you in heaven? It's very dark for me in heaven, though.
Every time you do it, he'll throw his head back. Oh my God, John. Don't take his skin. Take his skin and all.
You enjoying it?
Okay.
Keep doing it.
You don't know what you're doing. Right?
You about ready to fall asleep?
Now somebody, get John to sing.
John, sing!
No, I wasn't. I'm tired.
If you sing, you'll get the dog to act like Simon.
No.
No, he'll start growling at him.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
That's why he changed his name to Simon. If John sings, that dog will You have to wait till he goes like...
Hey! Salo! Salo! Do you want something to eat? Salo!
Hello.
Salo! Aww. Watch this. Watch. Move.
Yeah.
You wanna go for a walk? Do you wanna go for a walk? Salo! Ah! Mickey wants to go for a walk?
Yeah, the fat dog just jumped at me.
Do you wanna go for a walk? Angel. You wanna go for a walk? Do you wanna go for a walk?
Heavy.
Do you wanna go for a walk?
She's sitting on my head.
No. Like, let me relax.
Don't answer.
Oh.
Where'd you go? Oh my God! I don't know. He was going after Mickey, so he wouldn't just push him away.
My little girly boy. My little girly boy. Alright. And 3, 2, 1.